Hello and welcome to DROIX. In this video we are unboxing and taking a look at the PN50 ASUS Mini PC. Let's get straight on with it. Inside we first have the ASUS Mini PC, which we will take a closer look at shortly. There is a power brick and power cable. We will include the correct adapter for your country. There's a bunch of documents including a user guide, safety information and a CD with drivers. It's everything you need to get started. Next is a VESA mounting plate to attach to the back of your TV or monitor. And last but not least is a few packets of fittings including screws for the VESA mount and the Mini PC. On the front there is a 3.5mm audio jack, followed up with a USB Type-C port and micro SD card slot. To the right is a USB 3.2 port and finally the power button. It measures approximately 4.5 by 4.5 by 1.9 inches. On the back are HDMI and DisplayPort for connecting to multiple TVs or monitors. There is a USB Type-C port which can also be used for display output. To the right is a high-speed Gigabit Ethernet port for fast data transfer. There are two USB 3.2 ports. And finally the power supply port. Wireless data is handled with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. The AMD Mini PC can easily be upgraded by removing the 4 screws and sliding off the back. You can upgrade the DDR4 RAM and NVMe storage if you wish to. You can also install a 2.5-inch hard drive or SSD inside. Watch part 2 of our video in which we compare the Ryzen 5 and 7 models with some system and gaming benchmarks to see the differences in performance. You can find the video on screen now and also linked in the description.